to the Math Krew, where we learn new things and grow in mathematics. I'm Miss Nisha, your math teacher. Let's get started. All right, so today we're going to practice rounding decimals using a number line, and we're going to be rounding to the nearest hundredth. This is a mini lesson, so we're going to do one problem today. Here we have the decimal number 57 and 426 thousandths. When we're rounding, we're going to round to whatever they're asking us to round to. That's going to be our target digit. So here it says round to the nearest hundredth. So we're going to first identify what number is in the hundredths place. And that number is hopefully you said the 2. Excellent. Now that we've identified our target digit, we're going to create our range. So step 1, we identify the target. Step 2, we identify or create. We're going to create our range. We're going to start the range with our target, this 200. So we're going to go from 57 and 42 hundredths up to the next 100, which will be 57 and 43 hundredths. Now, as you can see, our number goes to the thousands place. So when we go within our number line, the pieces are getting smaller and smaller when we go inside. So these pieces within here are going to be in the thousands place. Again, these are our endpoints: 57 and 42 hundredths to 57 and 43 hundredths. Now we're going to number within here, and we're going to have smaller values inside of our number line. It's like getting a closer view or going deeper and chopping into smaller pieces. And what's smaller than the hundredths place? It's the thousands place. So inside of here, again, we're going to have thousands. I'm going to go ahead and place a placeholder of 0. Let's go ahead and make these thousands as well, since we're going to have thousands in here. And we're going to number. So if this is 57 and 420,000, then the next one would be 57 and 421 thousandths. Then we have 57 and 422 thousandths. 57 and 423 thousandths. 57 and 424 thousandths. 57 and 425 thousandths. Okay, we have that 5. Remember, when we have our 5, that's half of 10. 10 divided by 2, 5. That's our midpoint. That's the middle of the number line. That's the middle of the number line. 57 and 426 thousandths. So just continue until you've completely numbered the number line. You notice I'm taking my time. I want to make sure I don't make any mistakes when I create this number line. All right, now now we've created the number line. Let's go ahead and plot. Let's go ahead and plot. So place where you believe 57 and 426 would be on this number line. And once you plot, determine if it is more or less or exactly at the midpoint. If it's at the midpoint or greater, you're going to round up. If it's below the midpoint at 4, 3, 2, or 1,000, so 0, you're going to round down. All right, so I'm going to plot. Hopefully you said that 57 and 426,000 was right here. You can see right there. And let's look. Since it's beyond the midpoint, it's greater than the midpoint. That means that it's going to round up to the next 100. Hopefully you said round up. So our answer is 57 and 43 hundredths. We can get rid of the trailing zeros. Again, the 426 thousandths was here. So after we plot, we look at if we're going to round up. You're going to see which end mark is closest to. We're going to round up or we're going to round back. And it's closer to this one. 57 and 426 thousandths rounds to 57 and 43 hundredths. All right. Great job. I'll catch you all later in the crew.